Hey! My friends left their puppies for me to take care of for the weekend. This is my puppy palace, a hotel for pets. And we're going to make sure the puppies don't miss their owners too much. We'll be cleaning them, playing games, dressing them up for very fun photo shoots, and of course, feeding them all kinds of tasty treats. Let's go! Strawberry Shortcake Puppy Palace. Chiffon, let's have a photo shoot. Choose a background and a friend for the photo. Let's play. Keep winding the handle for a Hooray! That's exactly the toy she wanted. You see that bubble above Chiffon? Choose a tasty treat for your puppy. Yum! Fruit-tastic! That's exactly the treat she wanted. Hooray! That's exactly the treat she wanted. Fruit-tastic! That's exactly the treat she wanted. Wow! Chiffon's in such a great mood now.